quite exciting that we're doing today, aren't we, mate?
Yeah.
Do you want to tell
So we're going to Jack and Chris from Lowdown, and we're going picking the new project up.
Yeah, it's say 8 o'clock in the morning. Got to drop this off first, and then we got a long drive to Norwich, haven't we, dude?
Yeah.
How do you feel about it, mate?
Tired.
Right, well, hopefully we'll see you on the journey on the way there. Well, we're halfway into it, 2 hours deep. At stop. Harry's got Charles' bladder.
Sure, yeah.
Just stop for the toilet break and back on the road we go. Long old journey this one, mate, innit?
Yep.
Right, so we made it to Lowdowners to see Chris and Jack from Dropworks. And Harry, come on, I'll let you tell them what Jack has donated you for the next drift build.
So we've got a Ford pickup for the next drift build.
There it is.
Story behind this truck. Jack had a nice Ford Ranger and the engine blew up in it. So the engine come out and you were going to put a Mazda MX-5 running gear and everything under it. But that sort of became a bit of a chore really. Truck sat in the back, then Jack put the truck up for sale. The bloke who bought it had this one which had really sort of rotten chassis and everything, but had a good engine. So he drove this down, put the engine from this into Jack's old Ranger, and then left in the Ranger, and then gave Jack the truck. The plan that we had for it, or Jack had for it, was to turn it into a drift truck, but we can't drift. And Harry can drift. Also, we ain't got any time to build it, so it just seemed a better idea for Harry to have it, really.
What'd you say? And to Jack. There we are.
I'm just happy I got a vehicle out of the workshop.
Right, so it's day one of the truck build, as you can see. We got it back to the unit last night, and we're gonna put it on what chassis, mate?
So we're going to put it on a BME 46 Coupe.
Yeah, and we're gonna turn it into mine and Harry's drift truck.
Yeah. Show build.
That's the one, mate. Right, let's have it. Right, so this is what we're going to build it onto, aren't we, mate? It might be open, dude. Right, let's see if it'll start. Been here a while, this one. Poly steering wheel. Oh no! Right, let's get back to on it. We'll try again. See if it'll start. Been a while, this one, hasn't it, dude?
Yeah.
Right. Go on, just give him a wiggle, mate. It'll be fine. We're just stripping it soon. Right, fingers crossed then, mate.
Yeah.
What do you reckon?
Yeah.
Oh, there we have it. Pull it out the graveyard. Go on, mate. Got the BM strips, as you can see. Next thing is cut the pillars off, get the roof off, and get the rear quarters off, and then we'll start fitting it. What we doing?
Yeah, should be good.
But we're gonna let you do the first cut, dude. So we'll just go straight across the pillar there. I'll mark it off, so we can get an hoodie on, we'll get some goggles on, and let's get cutting.
Nobody on it. So we've got the truck sat on the BM chassis now, and yeah, it's all sat on, it's all lined up. We're just welding an extra sill on, just so that it sits and looks a bit nicer to the original E46 side skirt. But yeah, the arches and everything, the bed's on, everything's on. We just need to put some strengthener bars on the back, and then yeah, it's done.
Right, so bit of an update on the truck build. We finally got the cab on for the last time. It's been off and on so many times to get it right, but we've shortened it. Well, everything that still needs cleaning up on it. But yeah, that's kind of where we're at with it. We're getting a look of it now. It's all rolling, and yeah, let Harry talk round what we've done and go from there.
Yeah, so we've just made another sill on here, but as you can see it's all the tack welded on. But round, it's come around the other side, it's been fully welded on. It just needs screwing out and stuff. Yeah, but that looks loads better. And then we've managed to keep the original BM side skirts on it as well. And yeah, as you can see, it's perfect.
Still loads more work left to do in it, isn't there?
Needs the lower.
We've yeah, definitely need to go down a good couple of inches, like.
Looks like a monster truck.
But yeah, we're getting an idea of how things are gonna sit now, which we couldn't really tell until we got the bed welded onto the cab. Yeah, it's getting there. It's just going to take a lot of welding, a lot of fabricating it, dude.
Yeah, a lot of welding. We need to get a roll cage in it, get some bash bars on it.
Yeah,
and then
yeah.
find out what to put bash bars on the as well.